Experiencing problems with your Wavlink docking station on your Mac? You're not alone. Many users face issues with USB-C connectivity, display output, and overall compatibility. As of late 2025, most problems are software-related, such as driver conflicts, but hardware defects can also occur. USB-C connectivity issues often stem from pin negotiation or power delivery. Display output problems relate to port compatibility and EDID handshakes. This section provides a quick overview of how to diagnose and address these issues. We'll focus on practical steps to get your Wavlink dock working smoothly with your Mac. Ensure your Mac OS is up to date by checking System Settings, General, Software Update. Next, reset NVRAM Param by restarting your Mac and holding Option Command PR until the Apple logo appears and disappears a second time. For display issues, enable Allow Displays to Sleep in macOS settings. If USB-C charging fails, try resetting the SMC by holding Shift Control Option Power. Also, verify that you are using certified USB-C cables. Try cleaning the ports. Update the firmware on your Wavlink dock by downloading from the official Wavlink website. These steps should resolve most common issues, ensuring your Wavlink docking station works effectively with your Mac. If problems persist, consider contacting Wavlink support for further assistance.